Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we are going to be hooking up two of these amazing MLS-1000s from Harbinger to an Alto TS315 subwoofer. So if you're looking to make a big dance party system and you don't want to have these big giant speakers hanging in the air to do it, this video is going to show you how you're going to get it done with these amazing line arrays. We're going to be using the smart stereo feature, so we're going to need one XLR cable to hook up the two speakers, and then we'll have a second XLR cable to finish the connection to the subwoofer. It's going to be simple and easy. Anybody can do it. If you're looking for a big system, for a big party, this is the video for you. So here we are. We've got all three actual speakers turned around now, facing towards the camera so you can see it. This is going to be our main speaker. This is going to be our subwoofer, and this is going to be our secondary speaker. We're now going to make a connection from our first speaker to our second speaker using the built-in link feature that Harbinger makes available on their products. And then we're going to plug in the subwoofer again off of the main. And then we'll push the button to show you how easy it is. So let's get a close-up look at what we're connecting. So on the first speaker, because it's going to be the main speaker out, we're going to use the link out option. And here's our first XLR cable, link out. Now let's go over to our second speaker. Now using the XLR cable from the routing option, we're going to come into the link in. We're bringing this actual sound from our first speaker into our second speaker. Now let's get back to the first speaker and hook up the subwoofer. So now after doing some tests, I have realized that we do need to use the main speaker for the subwoofer. The signal is still going to come out of the main out, which is what we're going to. It says direct output. That's where we're going to plug our signal that's going to go to our subwoofer. So now we're looking at the back of the subwoofer. Remember, this is the XLR that's coming off of our main line array. We're going to plug that into line input 1. And of course, we can leave that at unity. Now, let's actually press the buttons on the speaker to make this all happen. So now we're at the back of our first actual MLS-1000 from Harbinger, and this is going to be the one controlling everything. As you can tell, this is the one that has both XLR cable connections. Now that the speaker's turned on, you're going to notice the very first option on top, which is voicing. We're going to want it for a dance party. Of course, put that into dance music mode, which is option 3. Next, we're going to want to go to the routing option. This is our smart stereo connection. We're going to go from the normal mono setup to stereo master setup. Now that means that this is going to keep one channel here, and using the XLR cable, send the information and the second channel off to the second speaker. So now let's go to the second speaker. So once the unit powers up, you're going to notice that it's gone to whatever default setting you had last time. So in this case, I did have it on dance mode, and down at the bottom, the routing was set to normal. Watch what happens when I put this into link in mode. So that's stereo first, link in. Notice these lights have gone out. None of these other functions over here will work. All of this is now being controlled by the main speaker. So if you'd like to learn more about the actual Harbinger MLS-1000, these line arrays are absolutely amazing. You're going to find that in the links down below. That'll bring you off to Guitar Center, plus we'll also add links to Harbinger's website. Remember, the Guitar Center link is our affiliate link for the product, so of course that's how we get supported. And I'd also like to thank Harbinger for making these speakers available to us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because of course this is YouTube and that's what we do on YouTube. We like, comment, and subscribe. If you think having line arrays for your next DJ system is a good idea, let me know down in the comments. And there you go. It's all done. It was that simple. Again, just 2 XLR cables. Important, you really want to be looking at the MLS-1000s because they make life simple. You do get bass and treble control, you do get Bluetooth, you get all of those features wrapped up. But for this video, the most important thing was that smart stereo connection. It even allowed us the opportunity to connect the subwoofer. So if you're looking for a DJ package and you don't want to just get yourself a little boombox, you want to have something real, something that you can really throw a party with, this is going to be a setup for you. So I thought you might want to take a look at the back of how this whole thing's been hooked up one more time. It was super easy. Again, only 2 XLR cables needed. We used the link out to link in on the MLS-1000s. Then we used a second XLR cable from the main out of the Harbinger MLS-1000 into the back of the subwoofer. If you like your music with a ton of bass and you want to jack it up, this is the way to go. Well, I say thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.